Hey, this is Kevin. We are back in the project cave, and in a few moments I will show you how I made this plywood reindeer. You can get 2 reindeer out of one 4x8 sheet of plywood based on the pattern that I will provide. And it is a great project for beginners because it's meant to be admired from the sidewalk or the street. So if there are minor imperfections in all your cutting or in your paint job or your sanding, it doesn't matter because nobody's up close looking at it. You're looking at it from far away. So anyway, before I show you how I did it, remember to subscribe to the channel, stay on Santa's nice list. Let's get that pattern laid out. All right, we got all of our pieces cut out, antlers, legs, body. We are ready to do our assembly. We got to cut some slots that are about 3/4 of an inch wide. That's the size of the plywood we're using. And we don't want to make them too deep, especially on something narrow like the antlers. If we make them too deep, the antlers would sit below the top of the head. For the legs, we want to go a little deeper. I'll probably go about 4 to 5 inches. You got to remember, it's a cumulative total how far the legs will stick up. So if you cut 2 slots that are 4 inches, legs will come up about 8 inches. So anyway, you ready for legs and antlers? All right, he's ready. Let's get to it. Like I said, a super easy project that anybody can do, and it is going to provide years of enjoyment and be a staple in your holiday decor. Remember to get back on Santa's nice list by subscribing to the channel, leave a comment below, and if you like this video, hit that like button and take a look at some of these other videos that I have for you. I'm Kevin, and I'll see you next time in the Project Cave.